If you've been scrolling online lately, you've probably seen flashy ads for the YooFibre Patch. Promoted as a miracle weight loss and detox patch that supposedly uses over 1,000 microneedles to deliver natural ingredients straight into your skin, claiming to burn fat, boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and even detox your liver without the need for diet or exercise. And while that might sound tempting, it raises some serious red flags. The first issue is that the idea of detoxing your body or losing weight through a simple patch is scientifically impossible, since your liver and kidneys already handle detox naturally, and fat loss requires a consistent calorie deficit, not a sticker on your skin. What's more, the marketing behind YooFibre relies heavily on fake news-style landing pages designed to look like health articles, along with paid celebrity endorsements to create the illusion of credibility. But when you look closer, the so-called reviews and testimonials often feature AI-generated before and after photos that don't hold up under scrutiny. Many buyers also report hidden subscription traps, where you think you're making a one-time purchase but end up locked into recurring charges that are extremely difficult to cancel. And the refund policy, according to complaints, is vague and rarely honored. At the end of the day, what you're really getting is a cheaply made patch that can be found on wholesale sites like Alibaba for just $1, repackaged with big promises and sold at a premium price. So does it work? The truth is there's no scientific evidence to support the claims, no legitimate clinical trials, and nothing to suggest it does more than give you false hope. The YooFibre Patch is a perfect example of how clever marketing can make something look revolutionary, when in reality it's just another overhyped, overpriced product designed to cash in on people's desire for quick fixes.